Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a driveway pour with a small sidewalk. Pretty straightforward. That's how most driveways are. Sticker out for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe, guys. See you then. Bye. Poor little dog, he wants to stay high.
Oh, he's a cute dog too.
Hey guys, there it is. Tear out went well, no wire or rebar. We got about 3 or 4 inches of road base here. I overdug a little bit. Who cares? More road base, compacted the hell out of it. We got a rebar 2 feet on center. We have our little sidewalk here done. We used thin plywood and then some bendy board right at the end. I know if you're looking at here, it looks like there's a weird bump. No, the thin board is solid, and then on the inside is the curve right there. So this is actually a nice little curve. Everything's good to go. Tomorrow it is gonna rain, so we're just gonna cover this, let it chill for a little bit, and then we're pouring on Friday. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went well. We poured at 7 in the morning, a little less than a 5 slump. Poured 4,000 with microfiber. You guys saw the rebar cage in there. This thing should not go anywhere anytime soon. You know, pretty straightforward. I wasn't a fan that we had to hook up to that over there. I wish that would have been higher and then all the same level, but it does its own thing, so we just got to go up to it. Sidewalk came out really nice. So next week we are doing a job that one of our landscapers got us, Ecoscape Landscaping, Evergreen Ecoscape Designs. And we're doing a back patio with the pad for a shed. Stick around for that. But thanks for sticking around for this one. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.